Today, Southern Gardening is visiting Barrett's Garden Center in Columbia, Mississippi. They have some gorgeous Weeping Yaupon Hollies growing on the property. Weeping Yaupon Holly is an elegant evergreen shrub or small tree known for its distinctive cascading branches and fine textured foliage. The foliage is glossy and dark green on the upper surface with a slightly paler underside, creating a vibrant year-round display. Each leaf has finely serrated edges, though they are not as sharp or pronounced as those of some other hollies. This North American native produces an abundance of bright red berries in fall and winter, which provides ornamental interest and attracts birds. It thrives in USDA hardiness zones 7 through 10 and is well suited for warm climates. Weeping Yaupon Holly grows best in full sun to partial shade and adapts well to various soil types, including sandy, loamy, or clay soils, as long as they are well drained. Its graceful, weeping form makes it a striking focal point in gardens. Regular pruning can help maintain its shape, but it generally retains its elegant cascading habit with little intervention. The Weeping Yaupon Holly is a durable and attractive addition to southern landscapes. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.